Hey y'all, welcome to another video. So today I have my friend's cousin and she wanted to do some French nails. So that's what we're doing today. So I started out by prepping her nails and applying the nail tips. And now I'm just going in with a clear layer of acrylic before I go in with the nude and the white. So this was my first time doing a French set. I think I have mentioned before that I am not a professional nail tech. I have never worked as a nail tech. This is not what I have been doing over the years professionally. This is just a skill that I have developed on my own over the years just by doing my own nails. And recently, maybe about a year ago or so, someone saw me post my nails and she inquired about getting her own nails done. And so she came to my home a few times to do her nails. And then from there, I just started doing a few friends and they would tell their friends. And so I've just been taking a few people at home, whenever I can. And that's what I've been doing. So I really don't consider myself a nail tech because I just don't feel like I'm at that level yet. I don't feel like I'm really doing it professionally. I mean, I do see it as a possible business venture, but I'm still just trying it out for now. I like it so far, so we will see how that goes. But yeah, this is my first time doing a friend set, and I really liked how these turned out, and she really liked them as well. So I don't think I did too badly considering that it was my first time. But I think I struggled a little bit with building the smile line for each of these nails. But in the end, they turned out well and it wasn't so bad. All right, you guys. So I'll just let you guys watch this and I'll just come back whenever I need to. So guys, I'm so sorry about my camera bouncing up and down like that. My phone was mounted to my desk, and there are times when the desk itself might shake with movement, or sometimes I accidentally bounce the mount itself with my hand. But yeah, so once I have finished building the smile line on each of these nails, I go in with a hand file and I file the smile line to ensure that it is nice and crisp before I go in and add the white acrylic. So once I've finished filing the smile line, I am going in with the white acrylic, and you don't have to be super careful about how you add the white acrylic in terms of getting it onto the pink, because you're going to file all of that away. You just want to ensure that you build the free edge properly with that white, and you also want to ensure that you get it into those corners, into those grooves that you have there, and just ensure that all of that is covered. So yeah, I'll let you guys continue to watch this, and I will come back again when I need to. So once I've finished with the acrylic application, I'm going in with my e-file and I am going around the cuticle area first, and then I go on top with the e-file and just reveal that beautiful smile line and that French design. So once I'm finished with the e-file, I'm going in with my hand file. I buff over the top of the nails, go around the cuticle area, file the side walls and the free edge just to make that shape crisp and nice and just to refine everything. And once I have finished with all the filing, I dust the nails and I go in with a top coat. So this is how the nails turned out. I really enjoyed creating this set. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if there are any videos that you guys would like to see. Until next time, bye bye.